Welcome to day 4 of flexibility challenge, and today we're going to focus on forward bends. And there will be again three parts: pelvic tilt exercise, asymmetrical stretches and symmetrical stretch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in the first part we're going to learn how to tilt our pelvis forward, which is very important in forward bendings. So inhale, arch your lower back and exhale round. In this way you're gonna tilt your pelvis forward and back. Repeat this few more times and then we're gonna jump into asymmetrical stretches. Okay, now for the asymmetrical stretches, come near a wall, left leg forward, right leg back, and place your hands on the wall and bend forward as far down as you can, and repeat this for 8 times. When you come down, tilt your pelvis forward, and if you cannot, then bend your knee, but remember to tilt your pelvis forward. This is very important if you want to stretch and lengthen your hamstrings. Now we're gonna hold the pose. You can place your palms on the wall, or you can walk your hands down and place them beside your front leg and try to touch your chin to your shin, or you can bend the knee if you find it difficult. Now we're gonna repeat both the drill and the stretch from the other side. Place your right leg to the front, place your palms on the wall and bend forward, and then come back. Tilt your pelvis forward when you bend down. Next, we're gonna hold the pose. You can stay on the previous pose, or you can work your hands down and hold the full Parsvottanasana. If you find it difficult, then you can always bend your knee. Now for the next pose, stand up and place your left foot on the wall and then flex and point your toes. Repeat this 8 times before holding the pose. This is going to help you strengthen your hamstrings and the quads at the same time. And for the forward bends, it is important to have strong quads and hamstrings to stabilize the pose. Next, bend forward as far as you can, and you can stay here, Or you can bend even forward and try to touch your forehead to your chin and hold the pose. And remember to fold from your hips, not from your lower back. This is where the tilting of pelvis forward comes to play. Next, we're going to repeat the same thing with the other side. Now place your right foot on the wall and flex and point your toes. Next, we're going to bend forward. If you find it difficult, then you can come closer to a wall and you can bend the knee. And if you are more advanced, then try to touch your forehead to your chin and hold the pose. Now we're gonna do some other asymmetrical stretches on the ground. Starting from the Janu Sirsasana, one leg is straight, other leg is bent. And now fold forward as far as you can, holding onto your ankle, shin or knee according to your flexibility level. Now we're gonna repeat the same stretch with the other side. Straighten your left leg and bend your right leg. And now bend forward, holding onto your ankle, shin or knee. Here is the reminder to fold from your hips, not from your lower back. Okay, let's come out of the pose and lay down on your back. What we're gonna do is straighten your left leg to the ceiling, keeping the right knee bent, and now point and flex your toes for 8 counts. From here, we're gonna pull our left leg to the chest if you can and try to straighten the right leg, or you can keep it bent if you want to modify the pose. Hold the pose for a few seconds. Great job. Now we're going to repeat the same thing with the other side. Now bend your left leg and straighten the right leg to the ceiling and point and flex your toes for 8 counts. Now we're gonna hold the pose. Try to pull your right leg towards your chest and at the same time straighten your left leg if you can, or you can stay on the previous pose and just hold the pose. Great job. We're gonna come out of the pose now and we're gonna stand up for the symmetrical poses. Now rock up and down on the forward fold a few times before holding the full forward fold. It is good to do specific warm up before holding any pose. Next, we're gonna hold the forward fold. Tilt your pelvis forward, that is, fold from your hips, not from your lower back. You can bend the knee to make it happen if you are a beginner. Now come out of the pose and spread your legs wider, and we're gonna rock up and down once again in this pose. If you find this pose difficult, then you can repeat the previous one once again. We're gonna do this for 8 counts. Now we're gonna hold the wide-legged forward fold, catch your ankles and bend forward as far as you can. And if you're a beginner, then place 2 blocks in front of you and place your elbows on the blocks and hold the pose. Now come out of the pose and sit down in Dandasana, and we're gonna rock back and forth in this position. Make sure to keep your back straight the whole time. Next, bend forward, holding onto your toes, ankle, or shin or knee, according to your flexibility level. Now, widen your legs as much as you can and bend forward. Tilt your pelvis forward. For the modification, you can place two blocks in front of you and place your hands on the blocks and hold the pose. Congrats, you have completed the day 4 and hope to see you again next time.